be down.
Right, Gracie? I was just about to make a video about how early mornings in the city remind me of living in Midtown when we first moved to the city and having my dog Fargo and going to the park. And I used to love these early mornings because not a lot of people are out. The city's just waking up. You can feel it. I kind of love this feeling. Anyway, I'm in the city for a minute, heading back up this morning, and it's Wednesday. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Happy birthday
Thank
to you.
you. So sweet.
Happy birthday to you.
Sorry to be like that kid.
Happy
Stop.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Catherine. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yay!
It's a chicken
Make
pot
a
pie.
wish. We got you a chicken pot pie. We know how you love chicken pot pies. Do it, girl. Do it. Do it. Mm-hmm.
What, I'll blow it out?
Yeah. Yay!
We have our friend Alex and Annika here. They're putting one of their hives back here because a bear attacked their hive. So,
I think it's meant to be.
is it level?
Yes. This is a level. And this is level.
It's a level and it's level. And the hive will face east. What do these do?
These hold the wire. The wire through those little hooks.
Oh. So Alex is laying the fence.
Yep.
I'm too.
Alright. Oh.
The little nuke didn't let us take it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the one that had gotten thrown around by the bear.
They were angry?
They were so angry.
Do you guys...
If you hang out like right in front, like where I was pulling the staples off,
Very slow,
they're not gonna like it so
but I couldn't help it. There were some bumps.
So what are you doing now?
Okay.
I'm putting peanut butter on this yummy tummy hardware cloth so that the bear will stick his tongue on the yummy tummy hardware cloth.
We're gonna have to change the peanut butter out.
Hi everybody, it's 8 o'clock. We've been at the vet since 2:45. Baby's not feeling great. Baby's not feeling great. Oh, there's Auntie.
Did you want to greet me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
I can't tell if she was asleep or not. She wasn't. It's not happening. Cut her shoulder.
Yeah.
Are we almost done?
Oh, they would, because
It really is like a tornado. I mean, maybe a tornado was coming.
I think it was over at 10.
Oh, that 10 is due.
It's 10:15.
Good Saturday. We are caught behind a group of cyclists and we're on really curvy roads. So what do? You just go slow. I'm taking the sights. These guys.
1, feeling better.
Hi from the pool. There's a pool down the road from us. See? It's a little chilly, and there are no lanes set up except for one little one. So I was hoping to swim laps, but we'll see. Meantime, we'll just chill out, get some sun.
Next on the platform, John Smith, representing United States freeform diving. And prepares. And perfect splash.
That is hilarious.
Hi, we're having pie.
Eating pie.
Oh, show them the pie.
Well, that didn't work very good.
Show them the
Blueberries.
show them the label.
Yay!
You've seen this before.
Man, I got a collectible wine glass.
Oh, collectible wine glass. Cute. See you later.
It's gonna be awful of me. Gosh.
Stop. I am up in upstate New York, north of where I live, playing with an orchestra. We're gonna do a Pops concert. Armed Forces Salute and Stars and Stripes Forever, and we're doing a piece by John Williams, so it's gonna be really fun. I'm just waiting for the clock to tick down to close to 7 p.m. Our concert's at 7:30. And anyway, the parking lot is filled up. People are walking with their kids, and I still need to get changed. Anyway, I'm rambling. Tomorrow's 4th of July. What's everyone doing? I think we'll be posting a vlog, I mean. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye. While we're here, have you ever wondered what it's like to play in a band shell to all these people? It's kind of fun, right? Let's do it. City girl, look at this case. Oh my goodness. That is so awesome. I wonder whose case that is. This is one of my favorite buildings in New York. I think it was made by a really famous architect. Of course, I don't know who that is.
Are you gonna come up? Wanna come up? Come. Come up. Hi, everybody. So last night we went to the AMC, the Animal Medical Center, because little Gooby is kind of collapsing. But not collapsing like, you know, half unconscious. It's just her legs. They're very unsteady. They sort of remind me of when a calf is born, or a deer, or like Bambi, and they, you know, their legs give out because they don't have strength yet. And it's very weird. And they did a bunch of tests, and they'll call us, it sounds like tomorrow, on Tuesday, Happy 4th. She's okay, but there's something wrong. And a woman that I talked to right before I left said, she asked me what was wrong. I told her everything. She said, that sounds exactly like Lyme disease. And she said, I had it and my dog had it. And so she suggested that no matter what the doctors say, that I treat her for Lyme, which is like whatever the full cycle of a doxycycline treatment would be. I've been Googling that this morning and last night, but it sounds like, it's long, maybe a month of doxy. So we're going to try that anyway, but we're looking forward to hearing what the doctors have to say after they look at her blood. They said she's anemic, she's still dehydrated, her fever is still here, and they can't figure that out, so that's a mystery, unfortunately. And that's it for now. See you later. Prayers for Gracie.
Come on, baby. Come on up. Just put one leg in front of the other. Come on, you can do it. Yes, Mommy's here. Mommy's here. Good job. That was pretty easy for you.
You guys know Fairway like no other market. It's true. We have really awesome produce and goods and things you can't really find, like preserved lemons. But right next door is Ciderella's. So good. They have really good seafood. Hi. And again, very expensive, but worth the buck for all you foodies out there. I think the police just knocked on my door in my apartment, and I don't really know why. What is going on? It's so weird. I didn't answer. But I can hear their, what do you call it, I better put some pants on. What the hell is going on out there?
Hi, sweetie. How you doing? How you doing? You don't look like you feel any good, baby. I know.